Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox. So all what you have to do, just go to the top here, click on Roblox logo and go to settings, scroll down and then make the graphics mode on manual and make the graphics quality like this as lower as possible, and then click on resume and then make sure to close all the apps on your computer like Google Chrome and all the apps right here. Click on exit, exit, exit right here, and after that go back and then I'm sure that the problem is gonna be fixed. If it's not, then go back here, click on Roblox logo, click on settings and make the full screen off like this, and then click resume and click here. Now just try to play it with a small screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.